afternoon. Welcome to Parajara channel, the home of talent. I am Chinoye, and today I'll be training you on how to make a man fall in love with you. And I'll be giving you 5 features of how to make a man fall in love with you. Now, 1, praise his physical features. Every man needs a woman to show him that, of course, he's deserving and he's worthy. You tell your man how he looks and praise his physical looks. When he wears something nice, you tell him, "Oh, sweetheart, or my baby, or baby, this clothes really looks nice on you." Make him feel homely, make him feel accommodated, make him feel appreciated, make him feel like he's human, like there is none to be compared with him in your life. Now, 2, make a contribution in your relationship. Every human being has a responsibility. Now, when you come to a relationship, there are responsibility equally. You don't expect a man to keep providing and providing and providing. My dear, a time comes in a human being's life. There's a time they'll be broke down and broke out. Ladies, we should learn to be a supporter, because even the Bible itself made it clear that a human is a helper. So learn to help, learn to be the shoulder that will lift him the head high, learn to be the neck that will accommodate the head. Now, if you become the one that will continue receiving and spending, then what does that make you? It doesn't make you a woman, it makes you a lady. Now, learn to be a woman, a working end woman, a woman who is always there to help a man in times of need. Now, 3, take pride to look good for your man. Ladies, whatever that is left unkept is left deserted. It is not only looking good for your man. Look good for yourself. Looking good place responsibility and it place life upon your shoulders. When you look good, everyone appreciates and wants to be like you. It places that value. Learn to place that value to an extent in your life. Everyone needs value. Everyone needs responsibility. Now, if you keep yourself unkept, you look like those deserted from an unknown desert. But ladies, learn to look good. The beauty of a woman that says in her look. Now, learn to look good. Learn to appreciate yourself. It is not for a man alone, but also for yourself, for your value, for your prestige. Learn to appreciate yourself. Now, 4, set the bar high. Every man likes a woman with a goal, a woman with a dream. It's not a liability. Every woman should learn not to be a liability, but a woman with a goal, a woman with a lot of dreams, a woman that, yes, sees light even at the end of the tunnel. Do not be the one that blocks the light, but the one that also shows light at the end of the tunnel. Now, 5, don't belittle or punish your man. Now, listen, ladies, every man and every human being messes up. We have a time of our life when we make mistakes, and especially men. Listen, men are like babies. Now, we are the ladies. We tend to clean up all the messes. Every man messes up, but the ability for you to keep his mess as secretive as ever and clean it up like nothing has ever happened is the ability to be an ideal woman. They say behind every successful man is a woman. Now, that doesn't mean they don't make mistakes, but do not show them their mistakes, but show them their strength. Now, see, every man is like a baby. Say a baby messes up and messes everywhere up, or every part of his life up. Now, the ability of a mother to clean up the baby and dress him to look good and still become presentable to the world, that is what is your duty as a woman to your man. Make him look good, make him look like there is no fault and there is no stain, no blemish in his life, and learn to be his keeper. So watching. For more power pack and enriching ideas, you can like, subscribe, or ring the bell. Thank you.